Okay, today I want to show you this VL Walky. It's actually a VL with a Walky body kit that's coming to us. It came into us in a built form. It's got a 9-inch turbo 400, high stall, built 383 that all came in and needed tuning. So we've been through and tuned it with the CalMaker software. We also built that air cleaner system for the front of it. It came up pretty good with the high stall. Obviously that takes a little bit of rear wheel power in that automatic form. It still came up with 350, 360 rear wheel horsepower, but he had a little bit of an overheating problem, and he also had periodic lifter noise. So we actually pulled the pieces. He took that opportunity to upgrade the lifter, the drivetrain, to a solid cam, so it's got solid lifters and a solid roller cam. Changed the compression ratio a little bit, did new head gaskets, put it all back together, and we've been tuning it. We're getting up over 400 rear wheel horsepower, so that's pretty good numbers. If you do the losses for the auto and for the high stall, we're coming into where we're probably making up around 600 engine horsepower out of this 383. So it's going pretty well. We'll do a power run now so you can see how the whole thing runs. Power runs of what we ended up with. There's the 417, but as you can see, there's actually lift right across the range. The new big solid camshaft just got more lift going in everywhere, and we've got a decent increase, up over 10% right across the range. And of course, we're going to about another 600 revs on the car as well. But a really good increase out of there. Mixture's all we've got to where we're happy, around the 12.7s, and the thing's obviously going to pull quite a bit harder. We've made a good increase of around the 15% right across the range. Anyway, that should drive really well.